Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add menu icons just like you have on this. How to add menu icons to your website. It makes it look very professional and attractive. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add that on your WordPress website in few clicks. So now let's get started. So first off, you go to the back end of your website. This is the front end of the site I want to add icons to. As you can see, there are no icons at the moment. So I go to the back end, to the admin dashboard. I go to add plugins and I go to search. So all you need to do is just type menu icons on the search bar, and we're going to be using menu icons by Team Al. So once you click on install now, once it's installed, the next thing you need to do is activate. Okay, so after activation, the next thing you do is go under appearance, you go to menu, once you've opened menu, just go down on this left hand side. You're going to see this menu icon setting, so just click on the drop down arrow right here. Then you can activate SVG, so you can download any icon you want, and you can activate check on image as well, so that you can use PNG images as well for your icons. So once you've done that, just click on save settings. Once your setting is saved, all you need to do now is go to the pages here, click on the drop down arrow, then automatically you're going to see this icon right here which says select. So for the home, I click on select. Then you can see different icons here, so you just choose the one that corresponds to the page or to the menu you want to set an icon for. So for the home page, I'm just easily going to use this one here. Then I'll click on select, then I go ahead and save. So I'll do the same thing for the rest of it, so I'll just quickly do that and we continue. So once you've done all of it, you just click on save menu. So once your menu has been saved, we go to the front end and let's refresh and see if it works. Voila, you can see how easy that is. The color is changing when you hover on it. You can see, very professional and outstanding. So guys, to get more of this kind of videos, follow me on my YouTube channel and you get videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.